PBS Kids Animal Alphabet. D is for dolphin. Dolphins are in every ocean except for the really cold ones. And they're one of the smartest animals on Earth. The dolphin. On PBS Kids Animal Alphabet.
This is a test of the emergency alert system.
It's the really awesome PBS Kids Activity Challenge. Looking for something fun to do with your mom or grandfather? With your friends? How about this happy-faced snack? PBS Kids challenges you to take on this awesome activity right now. So get up and get going on your very own Feeling Faces Snacktivity.
There are lots of feelings, like excited, mad, or sleepy, and silly.
To make your snack, you'll need rice cakes, peanut butter or cream cheese, raisins, apple slices, banana. Spread peanut butter or cream cheese on a rice cake. Add bananas, apples, or raisins. Is your face feeling happy, sleepy, or mad?
I'm feeling happy because I got to play with you.
Get up, get out, and start your really awesome PBS Kids Activity Challenge now.
She loves that pile of garbage.
It is in the shape of a pyramid.
So just because it's a fancy shape, it's cool? Oh, this blob-shaped cat can be a cool shape, too.
Cat's shaping up and acting weird after this message thingy.
Peg plus Cat is made possible in part by
Whee!
the National Science Foundation, where discoveries begin, and by the Heising-Simons Foundation, the Arthur Vining Davis Foundations, and the Grable Foundation. And by a cooperative agreement with the U.S. Department of Education, the Corporation for Public Broadcasting's Ready to Learn grant, and by viewers like you.